The Denver Broncos, one of the most iconic teams and brands in the entire NFL. They have a global reach with a fan base in the millions, any marketer's dream team. And I'm going to show you exactly how they used one simple tool to explode their workflows and content creation, thus deepening their relationship with stakeholders and fans. I'm Ivan from Visme, helping you design better for your business. So let's dive right in. In marketing, visuals are everything. Research consistently shows that people remember 65% of visual information better than just text alone. This means a well-designed visual identity not only makes your brand memorable, but can also drive direct engagement, which translates to more revenue and stronger customer loyalty. So let's look at how this applies to the Denver Broncos. The team has a massive fan base with supporters all over the US and even the world. To maintain and grow this fan base, they need a consistent brand presence, something fans instantly recognize and connect with. This is where graphic design and branding comes into play. The Broncos' use of iconic colors, logos, and visual styles creates a seamless experience that fans can identify with anywhere, whether they're watching the game, visiting the Broncos website, or engaging with social posts on social media. The orange and blue color scheme with the Bronco logo is striking and stands out from the crowd, becoming instantly recognizable. For businesses outside of sports, the same exact principles apply. Consistent branding isn't just about looking good. It's about building recognition and trust, which are crucial to fostering loyalty and driving financial growth. In fact, consistent branding across channels can increase revenue by up to 23%. Think about that for a second. Simply by creating a consistent look and feel, businesses are able to drive nearly a quarter more in revenue. That is the power of branding. This effect is even more powerful for established brands like the Broncos, who are already well known but rely on consistent branding to stay top of mind and keep their fans and customers coming back. But creating all these brand assets and marketing material for a juggernaut like the Broncos, it takes time. In order for them to improve ROI and still create effective assets, they needed to streamline the content creation process for their marketing and the design team. This is where that tool that I mentioned earlier comes in. The Broncos needed a platform that could help them create high-quality marketing assets and designs quickly and efficiently without burdening the design team. So the Broncos turned to a platform that was created for this exact scenario, and one that many businesses face far too often. And that platform was Visme. Let's get into the specifics of how the Denver Broncos leverage Visme's features to keep their brand strong, engage their fans, and maximize business growth. They started by creating on-brand data visualizations. The Broncos use Visme to turn raw data into visually compelling presentations and reports. For instance, their marketing team needs to present campaign performance metrics to partners and stakeholders regularly. Rather than delivering a spreadsheet full of numbers, they use Visme to create visually engaging dashboards that display key metrics, campaign results, and audience insights, all while using templates that align with their brand colors and fonts. Now, here's why this matters for financial growth. Clear, branded data visualizations make it easier for stakeholders to understand and act on insights. When partners and sponsors can quickly see campaign results and understand the value the Broncos bring, they're more likely to renew sponsorships and increase their investment. This translates directly into financial growth. The Broncos' visually branded reports reflect professionalism, attention to detail, and make it clear that the organization values quality in every single aspect. Traits that sponsors and partners appreciate and reward with continued business. Then they're streamlining internal communication and collaboration. The Broncos organization is large, with departments spread across marketing, sales, and operations. Visme's collaboration tools allow them to streamline internal communications, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Team members can easily access templates, make edits in real time, and leave feedback directly within the Visme platform. This streamlined collaboration is extremely invaluable. With less back and forth, the Broncos can create high-quality content faster. Efficiency in content creation leads to cost savings and allows teams to reallocate time and resources to revenue-generating activities. For marketing professionals, this is a huge advantage. Think about all the time you could save if you didn't have to wait on feedback emails or hunt for the latest version of a document. Visme's platform creates a smoother workflow, helping teams produce more content without compromising on quality, which is a crucial component for maximizing marketing effectiveness and brand reach. And what about engaging fans and building excitement? In sports, engaging fans is key. The Denver Broncos use Visme's design features to create visually rich social media graphics, infographics, and promotional materials that keep fans informed and excited about upcoming games, events, and player stats. By designing eye-catching interactive graphics, they can capture fan interest and drive higher engagement on social media. Research shows that brands with strong customer engagement strategies increase cross-sell revenue by 22%. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter prioritize visually engaging content, meaning that eye-catching graphics created with Visme have a higher chance of being seen by fans. This increased engagement helps to build a loyal following, driving merchandise sales, ticket purchases, and brand affinity, all critical for sustaining revenue in the sports industry. And for businesses outside of sports, engaging visuals help capture customer attention, nurture interest, and ultimately drive sales. Branding cannot be ignored, and consistency is essential for business growth. You're actually hurting your business if you don't prioritize it. For the Broncos, having a consistent brand presence across all content helps them build a strong brand image that is recognizable both locally and nationally. Every piece of content feels connected, and fans know immediately when they're seeing Broncos content, making them more likely to engage with it. Visual consistency isn't just about looking professional. It's about creating an experience that strengthens brand trust and keeps audiences coming back. Let's be real. The Broncos can use the same material for any jersey or sweatshirt as another organization, but because it's the Broncos and certified as their merchandise, it instantly becomes more valuable. That again is the power of branding. For other businesses outside of sports, it can mean stronger customer retention, more referrals, and a better reputation in the market. So making those marketing materials easier and most importantly faster using Visme makes all the difference in the world in terms of revenue growth. Consistency, creativity, and collaboration are all the pillars of effective brand marketing. So here's how Visme supports these pillars and contributes to financial growth. Starting with templates for quick and on-brand content creation. Visme's library of templates allows marketers to quickly create content that looks on-brand. Not only does it save time, but it also allows teams to focus on crafting compelling, conversion-oriented messages. Templates are particularly beneficial for growing businesses that may lack the budget or extensive design resources. They allow small teams to produce polished, professional content quickly, which levels the playing field and enables smaller brands to compete with larger ones. Now, what about a branding kit for seamless branding? Visme's brand kit feature is ideal for large organizations like the Broncos, as it allows teams to store and access brand colors, fonts, logos, and other assets in one place. This feature ensures that every piece of content aligns with the brand, regardless of who's creating it. Now, there's data widgets and visualization tools for enhanced communication. Visme's data widgets and visualization tools help marketers transform raw numbers into engaging visuals. The Broncos team uses these tools to create interactive dashboards and reports that tell a story with data, helping them communicate effectively with partners and fans. For any business, data visualization helps make insights clear, leading to better decision-making and strategies that drive revenue. And here are some collaboration features to boost productivity and ROI. So with Visme's collaboration tools, teams can share content, provide feedback, and make edits all in real time. For large marketing teams, this boosts productivity, helping them create more content in less time. For those of you looking to take your marketing to the next level, adopting strategies like the Broncos have with Visme can help you achieve stronger engagement, improve brand recognition, and ultimately, business growth. So there you have it, a playbook on how to use visual content to connect with your audience, inspired by the Denver Broncos. If you're a marketing professional aimed to enhance your visual communication, try Visme so you have access to all the tools you need to succeed, just like the Broncos. You can try today with the link down below. And if you'd like to learn more about how Visme can help optimize your business, check out our other video case study with the company GaggleAmp. I'm Yvonne from Visme, helping you design better for your business.